Police in Clarendon probing death of woman. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Clarendon police are probing the death of a 42-year-old woman whose body was discovered in a tree in Sutton District, Chapelton in Clarendon on Monday. The deceased has been identified as Lucy Ann Morgan, a domestic helper of Sutton District. The police said that Morgan was last seen alive at her home by her 82-year-old mother around 7 a.m. on Monday. However, around 11:30 a.m., residents who were attending to their animals in a vegetated area near a cemetery made the grim discovery and called the police. Morgan was later discovered by the police deceased in a tree. She was reportedly clad in a yellow blouse, burgundy tights, and a pair of black sneakers. The police said that no visible mark of violence was observed on the body. Morgan was subsequently taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. The police believe that she might have did the unthinkable to herself. A post-mortem will be conducted to determine the exact cause of death. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.